In today's lesson, we learned about multiples of other numbers, and multiples are really simple. So multiples of 2, so we have 2. Multiples of 2 would be 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, and so on and so forth, as high as you can count. Multiples of 5 would be 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, and so on and so forth. So multiples are pretty simple. The thing that is going to be a little trickier is finding common multiples. So these are numbers that two numbers would have in common. So if we have the number, well, let's do 2 and 5 again. So we have 2 and 5. Multiples of 2 are going to be 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. And multiples of 5 are 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. So then we look for the smallest number we have in both of these lists. So we don't have the same number there. We don't have a 4 in the other one. Okay, but we have a 10 here, and we have a 10 here. This is the smallest number we have in both of those lists. So for 2 and 5, the least common multiple, or the LCM, is going to be 10. Okay, so we'll do one more example. Okay, let's find the least common multiple for, let's do 3 and 7. So my multiples of 3 are 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24. And my multiples of 7 are 7, 14, 21, 28. And we can stop there because we have 21 here, and we have 21 here, and that is your least common multiple. It's the smallest number that is in both of these lists. Okay, so that is all we have for multiples. They can help in word problems, and you'll have a few examples in the homework that you can see. Just take your numbers and find the least common multiple. Sometimes you'll have 3 numbers. So you just make a list of multiples for all 3 numbers until you run into a number that is in all 3 of them. And that's it. All right, thanks. Bye.